Welcome. This is a very short introductory video about the figures of speech or rhetoric. First of all, I should mention that the pronunciation is rhetoric, not rhetoric. This is not rhetoric, this is rhetoric. Just as you pronounce history, not history, it is rhetoric, not rhetoric. But this is the noun. The adjective form of rhetoric is rhetorical. The O gets an accent or stress, just as you say historical. History, historical. Rhetoric, rhetorical. So this is the pronunciation. Now, what is rhetoric? What is this word? The term rhetoric comes from Greek rhetorike, and in ancient Greece this particular term referred to the art of effective language. Now, what is effective language? Effective language is a language that is capable of persuading and motivating an audience. So you want to say something, you say it in normal words, in normal style, without any intonation or whatever. It gets a normal effect. But when you use some skills, some artistic qualities, you put some artistic qualities in that language, when you speak in a manner which can motivate your audience, that is the skill of your speaking. So when we are studying rhetoric, we are actually studying the art of oratory or the art of effective language. Rhetoric can make a speech or a writing very effective or persuasive. That is the job of rhetoric. It makes the writing effective. It motivates the reader or the audience. So this is the first job of rhetoric. It can also present an artificial or grandiloquent language. How? If you are using figures of speech, if you are using ornamental language, but the ornamentation is not right for the situation, for the content or the audience, then it goes wrong. It seems that your language is artificial, it has no life in itself, and the audience is not motivated. They cannot connect to what you are speaking or what you are writing. So, the successful and significant usage of rhetoric depends on its compatibility with the content of the writing or the speech. So the content and the figures of speech, the content and the ornamentation must fit, must suit with each other. So this is the very basic introduction to figures of speech or rhetoric, and I hope that I will discuss each and every figure of speech in detail in the upcoming days, in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and like and share and comment. Thank you.